The British Prime Minister has warned people not to get carried away with optimism after the UK became the first Western country to licence a coronavirus vaccine. Boris Johnson stressed that it would take months before the impact of the breakthrough was widely felt. He also failed to back up his health secretary, who said it was down to Brexit that the UK was able to speed up the regulatory process, a claim later contradicted by the UK's medicine regulator. Evelyn Laverick has more.
It's being hailed as a historic moment. The UK's approval in record time of a COVID-19 vaccine has lifted spirits in London but raised eyebrows elsewhere. In giving the go-ahead for emergency use of the vaccine developed by American drug maker Pfizer and Germany's BioNTech, Britain has vaulted past the United States by at least a week and provoked accusations of putting speed before public confidence. Johnson was clear what he thought.
We've been waiting and hoping for the day when the searchlights of science would pick out our invisible enemy and give us the power to stop that enemy from making us ill. And now the scientists have done it.
The UK's Health Secretary said the biggest programme of mass vaccination in the history of the UK would begin next week, starting with the most vulnerable. But defending the speed of the regulator's approval, Matt Hancock said, "We do all the same safety checks and the same processes, but we've been able to speed up how they're done because of Brexit." It was a point taken up by a fellow Conservative MP, Jacob Rees-Mogg, which later brought a rebuff from Germany's health minister.
And
then for our British friends, since I have read some of the comments on Brexit, BioNTech is an European development funded by the European Union. And it shows that if a product from the EU is so good that it's authorised so quickly in the UK, that is in this crisis, what is best is European and international cooperation.
A vaccine is seen as the only way out of the pandemic. The head of the regulator has stressed that no corners were cut in assessing its safety, and the government expects a high take-up of the jab. Evelyn Laverick, Euronews.